Sound of the New Dawn have developed this talismanic glove to protect against bad juju on the 13th year of Sounds from the Other City. This instructional video will guide you through the steps of glove activation. Let's begin. Pick up your glove. Remove the tab. This may be concealed within the Velcro pouch. Place the glove on your hand. Raise your hand and press the activation button. Place your gloved hand on your forehead and wiggle fingers. The glove is now activated. Did you get all that? Let's recap. Take your glove. Remove the tab. Put on your glove. Raise your hand. Press activation button. Put your hand on your forehead and wiggle fingers. You are now protected. The first 400 people at Sounds from the Other City on the 30th of April 2017 will be presented with their glove.